What's going on, guys? I got something new today, kind of like a little surprise, even for me. Was not expecting to find it. It was sitting in my local gun shop, Cabela's. Great place, not to be confused with Cabela's, but it's here in the Daytona-ish area. Anyway, let me not ramble here. Saw it sit in the case. I've had a few of you guys ask me about holsters for this gun. I finally found one, so I grabbed it, and I'll be making some holsters for it. So anyway, does anybody know what this is? Let's see here. We got a box. Let's open it up. Some literature, instruction manual, sticker. Oh, there it is. We got the spent shell for the 22 Magnum. There it is, a life card. It comes with this little lock. I don't know where it goes because if you put it here, it doesn't lock anything. So I'll have to check out that instruction manual and see where that lock's supposed to go. Anyway, this is a life card. In case none of you guys have seen this before, this is how thick it is. You got a, let's see, you got a pin here, Bic lighter compared to it, and it's about the size of a credit card. This is a business card. See that? Shameless plug. Anyway, small little guy. Made in the USA. This one is a 22 Magnum. It's made by Trailblazer Firearms. So what you do here is you got these two little sliding locks. You use this one here, and it opens it up. Wait for the click. Listen. Get that little click. Now it's locked open. This is your trigger, and your barrel's right here. Take this slide lock, pull it, and it'll open your barrel up, like so. That's a snap cap in there. So once you've loaded a real round in there, you close it up, and you take this and pull, and it has quite a bit of effort to pull it. I will say that. Pull that, and then it's ready to fire. You hang on, pull the trigger, and I can't emphasize hang on enough. There are no sights on this. Obviously, this is not any kind of target pistol of any means, but there is a groove right down the center here to where I guess you could try to aim. The other cool feature of this, besides being made in the USA, which is the coolest part, overall novelty of the whole situation is very interesting as well. But you also have this little doorway right here, in case you guys don't hear that. But you push this, and inside it holds not one, try it this way, not one, not two, but 3 22 Magnum shells can fit inside that little compartment there. So you got to stagger them, but you could stow away 3 extra rounds, giving you a total of 4 rounds of slow reloads, but reloads nonetheless. And that's about it. Close her back up. That's it. It could fit in your pocket. You could tie a rope around it and hang it from your neck, and nobody would know it was a gun. Of course, don't do that if you aren't allowed to open carry firearms in your neighborhood or state, because this is a firearm. It's a weird looking one, but firearm nonetheless. You can't leave it cocked. It won't close. And obviously there's no kind of trigger guard or anything, so you wouldn't want it to be cocked. And also after, it won't fit the trigger moves, so it won't even go back into the hole to close it. But anyway, that's the newest thing I acquired today. It's a pretty cool little thing. It's, you know, here's a Black Widow mini revolver. Here's a Desert Eagle mold. You could just about fit it in the magazine well of the Desert Eagle. That's what you call deep concealment. Anyway, have any of you guys tried these before? Let me know. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you need a holster for it. And let me know what kind of holster you'd like to see for this. I was thinking some kind of, almost like a tool pouch kind of thing, like a Leatherman would go in. I think that might be what I do first. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.